WUSA 9 Weather Impact is sponsored by Morgan & Morgan.
And I'm WUSA 9 meteorologist Topper Shutt. We'll have the latest on Hurricane Melissa. A monster storm. It hit Jamaica, the west part of Jamaica, as a Category 5, strongest storm to make landfall in the Atlantic. It made landfall around 1 p.m. Now it's going to continue to move northeast, go across eastern Cuba, and it will weaken. All right, going to be a Category 4 shortly, and then a Category 3 as it goes across Cuba. Good news, it stays offshore. Bad news, it will go through the islands just to the southeast of Nassau. And then it may brush Bermuda as a Category 2. That's Thursday, and then Friday begins to accelerate out into the Atlantic. A monster storm. Look at this. That is the eye, all right? Look how quickly it collapsed. There are some mountains out in western Jamaica, but that's a massive storm. And even though it's going to, weaken, it's still a very, very strong storm. So we still have hurricane warnings up across much of the islands. We're looking at a tropical storm warning for the west part of Haiti, but everybody else is under a hurricane warning. That includes pretty much the eastern half of Cuba. All right, we got a break today, sort of, in pollen. Grasses were absent. Trees are low, weeds are low, which is kind of weird because it is ragweed season. And mold spores still in the moderate range. That has not let up at all. All right, we'll talk about our weather impact on Thursday. So we're going to say, 12 a.m. to 12 p.m. That's going to be the critical hours where the heaviest rain is going to fall, have the biggest impact on you. Showers and downpours, breezy wind, and some of the rain is going to be kind of hefty. It looks right now like a miserable commute to work on Thursday. Going home won't be bad. In fact, going home on Thursday, probably need your sunglasses. But in the meantime, extra time for the morning commute, rain gear, and download the WUSA 9 app. Oh, get the dog towels out for Thursday, too. All right, let's graph out Wednesday. So the good news, it's mainly dry. Clouds come in, all right, and there could be a stray shower, but essentially you can still get stuff done on Wednesday. It will be kind of cool to chilly. Depends on your perspective. Mid-50s, 2, 3 o'clock, winds east-northeast. That's a cold wind for us. We'll see a peak of sun here or there, but for the most part, mostly cloudy, kind of a cool day. All right, Futurecast. Notice the arrows, northeast winds. It's going to be breezy for the next few days, too. Temperatures by 10:30, walking the dog, upper 40s, around 50. Now, Futurecast is popping out a couple of showers. Not so sure we'll see showers. I won't rule them out, but essentially just worry about clouds on Wednesday morning with temps in the 40s primarily. And then by 9 o'clock, still kind of chilly at the bus stop, upper 40s. By midday, now we see some showers popping, and this I agree with, back certainly west of I-81. Temps are still kind of cool, upper 40s, mid-50s, 55 in D.C., 51 in Manassas. That's it. Now, by 6 o'clock, we could see some showers roll through the metro, temps in the 50s. Winds sort of more easterly now. And notice it's all, shades of green. It's all pretty light. But just wait, all right? Let's get into Wednesday night. Now we're seeing some yellow and some orange down to the south. Pretty strong easterly winds, temperatures in the 50s. Temps won't go down much that night. But look at this. Look at the red and the orange and the yellow. So we're going to have some heavy downpours Thursday. This is Thursday morning. Miserable commute, and also miserable at the bus stop. 9 o'clock, we have some big showers and heavy downpours out toward Winchester, Front Royal. All right, that's 9 a.m. on Thursday. That rolls through the metro. By 1 o'clock, heaviest activity is up 95, Baltimore northward. And, by the time we get into, say, 5:30, we have breaks in the clouds. Winds are now southwest, and temps are actually pretty mild, low 60s. So kind of the tale of 2 days. Thursday morning, a miserable commute, but Thursday going home, not bad at all. And Thursday night at 11 o'clock, not bad. Upper 40s, low 50s. All right, temperatures the next 5 days. Well, kind of chilly on Wednesday. We pop up a little bit on Thursday, and then, this is not too far off average. Upper 50s Friday, low 60s Saturday, low 60s Sunday. High school football Friday will be chilly. The Terps game on Saturday will be chilly. It's a 3:30 start. And then Sunday night is the Commanders game. That will also be chilly. So sweatshirts will be needed. pretty much for all 3 of those nights. But it will be dry, so that's good. After that, temperatures, go down to the upper 50s by the following Tuesday, mid-50s Wednesday, Thursday, and then around 61 the following Friday. And high temps now are the average high is about 65 degrees. Not bad. So here we go. 59, breezy, clouds rolling in on Wednesday, but mainly dry. There's our rain ending on Thursday, some afternoon sun. Breezy on Friday. Not a bad day, but upper 50s. Saturday. All right, a lot going on here. Halloween looks dry. That's good. Saturday, we're looking at temperatures in the low 60s, but cold if you're going to go to the Maryland game. My favorite time of the year. We move the clocks back 1 hour. Saturday night, nice. Extra hour. But, yes, the sun will set at 5:06 on Sunday. And that's the Commanders game at night, 8:20. Low 60s on Monday, partly cloudy, and then upper 50s to around 60 next Tuesday, also partly cloudy. So actually, this is good news, all right? Yes, we had to put a weather impact alert, but we need the rain. Looks like a good soaking an inch or so across the entire DMV.